orthotropism. If diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. So if we are considering a cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D with the center O, and they are saying the diagonals AC and BD are both the diameters of the circle. That means both of them are going to pass through the center of the circle. We have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. Now, first step is understanding what is given and identifying the concept. So we have been given a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD with AC and BD being the diameters. Since it has been asked that we have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle, we will think of the properties of the rectangle which will make it to be proven as a rectangle. So in a rectangle all the angles are 90 degree, and the second one is that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So it means what? We need to prove that angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D all are 90 degree, and we also need to prove that AB is equal to DC and BC is equal to AD. So if we are proving this, we can show that this cyclic quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. So now we want the angles to be 90 degree and the opposite sides to be equal. Now what are ABCD? We must remember that ABCD are also the chords of the circle. So we will think about the theorems which are related to the angles and the chords and also the arcs of the circle. So if we see first the theorems related to the arc of a circle and the angle subtended by it, we have three theorems, and we can notice the third theorem that angle in a semicircle is a right angle is what we can use here, because semicircle means we are considering the diameter, and here they have already given that the diagonals are the diameters. So with this we will be able to prove the angle is 90 degrees. So we will take that theorem. And for again, if we see the theorems related to the chords of a circle and the angles subtended by it, we can see that there are three theorems. One is equal chords subtend equal angles at the center and vice versa. Now since we have to prove that the sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, we must first think about how we can proceed. So first, as we had already seen, since AC and BD are the diameters of the circle, and from the theorem angles in a semicircle are right angles, considering the diameter AC, we can see that angle ADC and angle ABC will be 90 degree. And similarly, when we consider the diameter BD, angle BAD and angle BCD will be equal to 90 degree. So we have proven here in this quadrilateral that all the angles are 90 degree. Since we need to prove that AB is equal to CD, then it means we should show that the angle subtended by them at the center, that means AOB should be equal to DOC. We can see that angle AOB and angle DOC both are vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. Since they are equal, we can see that if two chords subtend equal angles at the center, then the chords are equal. This is the alternate of the theorem which we saw, that is equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. So from this we can see that AB is equal to DC. Similarly, when we take angle BOC and angle DOA, both are vertically opposite angles. Hence, the chords AD and BC will be equal. Hence, it satisfies both the properties which we saw from the step 2. That is, all the angles are 90 degree and opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So, with this we can show that ABCD is a rectangle. So now proceeding and forming equations and solving the sum. Given is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, AC and BD are its diameters. We have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. First we consider the diameter AC. We can show that angle ADC is equal to angle ABC, which is equal to 90 degree, since angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Similarly, considering BD, we get angle BAC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. So hence we can show that all the angles in this quadrilateral are right angles. We'll keep this equation 1, and then next we consider the vertically opposite angles. So angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, and similarly angle BOA is equal to angle COD. Hence, from the theorem, if two chords subtend equal angles at the center, then the two chords are equal. Hence, AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. Hence, from this we can write that the opposite sides of the quadrilateral ABCD are equal. When we see both the properties which we have proven, we can see that ABCD is a rectangle. Thus proven. Thank you.